Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve dispute resolution with JAMS, complete guide step by step clearly. Dispute resolution is a critical aspect of conflict management. Using JAMS can streamline this process significantly. First, understand the JAMS framework. JAMS stands for the Judicial Arbitration and Mediation Services. It provides a range of alternative dispute resolution services. Begin by identifying the nature of your dispute. Assess whether it's a contractual issue, employment matter, or another type. Next, determine if JAMS is the right fit for your situation. Consider the specific services they offer, such as mediation and arbitration. Once you ascertain JAMS is appropriate, gather all relevant documents. Organize contracts, emails, and any other pertinent information. Afterwards, select the type of resolution process you prefer. Think about whether mediation or arbitration aligns best with your goals. If you choose mediation, contact JAMS to schedule a session. Choose a mediator who specializes in your dispute area. Review the mediator's background and credentials to ensure a good fit. For arbitration, you will also need to choose an arbitrator. JAMS provides a list of qualified arbitrators to choose from. Upon selection, both parties will receive a notice to prepare. Prepare your case by outlining key arguments and evidence. Consider consulting with a legal professional for further guidance. During the mediation session, maintain a collaborative approach. Listen actively and express your viewpoints clearly. The mediator will facilitate discussions and help identify common ground. If mediation is successful, a settlement agreement will be drafted. In cases where mediation fails, proceed to arbitration as needed. At the arbitration hearing, present your case and evidence. The arbitrator will review everything presented before making a decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.